25. Yeah, take out 1 minute and appreciate the efforts that I have put in to get ready for my first first time ever in a YouTube video, because I never get ready for a YouTube video. I know if you've seen, if you have. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I am back with another haul video, which is a Nykaa haul. So I recently got a bunch of products from Nykaa which are super duper affordable. All the products are under, I guess, 500. Yeah, under 500, and most of the products are like 2-digit, 40 rupees, 48 rupees. ऐसे products हैं. So the haul starts from 40 rupees only, and the purpose of making this haul so affordable is so that everybody can afford those products and everybody can buy it. And I got products which I actually needed, and not just to waste my money. I got products which I needed. Let me open this big box and let me see what is inside. Okay, yes. So okay, the first product which I have is super essential, because I don't think anybody lives without face washes these days. Joy Lemon Face Wash. This is the Joy Lemon Face Wash. If you've seen the skincare video which I did with my mama, I have talked about this product a lot, and this happens to be my favorite face wash. And you can go and you can check out that video. I have talked about this product a lot, and put the link in the description box below, and you can go and you can check it out. So I got these two in only 198, like both of them, like in a combo. So I guess it's a very great deal. Next product which I have is again one of my favorites. It always in my skincare whenever I do it. So I got this Shri Shri Tatva Gulab Jal. So I love mist. Spray mists are used more than the normal mist or normal toners. So I use Gulab Jal and I was out of it, so I got this one. And guess what? This is just for 65 rupees only, and I really like it. It is 100 ml and it's for 65. Okay, we'll try this and I'll let you know how this is. This one is, it's normal Gulab Jal वैसे तो I like Gulab Jal, so I use it. Next is one of my favorite purchases from this haul, which is this Wadi lip balm. I got this in the flavor mint and strawberry, and guess what? This is just for 48 each, 48, and a great deal again. I really like it. Getting every flavor, like they have like 6-7 flavors. I thought of getting one each, but I thought that पहले try कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं. So let me just open one and see how the formula is.
Open the mint wala.
This is how it looks. Quantity भी अच्छी है according to what the price is. Smells nice.
According to the price you pay, it's fantastic. And let me open the strawberry one. I also wanted to get the blue one, but then मेरे को लगा कि पहले दो तो try कर लूँ, then I'll order more.
Oh my god. Wow, this smells very nice. Very nice. Again, same quantity, same thing. This smells very nice. Better than the mint one. So this was for 48 each. Great deal. I really like this one. This is one of my favorite purchases in this haul. I told you this haul is going to be very affordable. And the purpose of this haul was so that everybody can try these products because they are so affordable. In this small box, story behind why this box is so small or product. If you follow beauty
bloggers or beauty influencers or something, you know that they use
a very famous Pond's moisturizer. And yes, this is the I have mentioned in the title that it is starting from rupees 40. This is the one which is for rupees 40. Pond's Light Moisturizer, non-oily, feel fresh feel. When I was getting all these stuff from Nykaa, I saw this. This was for only 40. But how can I not do something dumb? And I did not check the quantity which they were sending, and I thought ki, oh my god, the bada wala for 40, it's a great deal, and I just got it without even checking the quantity that it provides. But it provides 25 ml only. Do not do मेरे जैसा बेवकूफ़ी, please quantity check करके ही लेना. And मेरा तो पोपट हो गया, अपना मत करवाना. एंड कोई बात नहीं, आई विल ट्राई इट. एंड 25 ml के हिसाब से भी बुरा नहीं है. 25 ml for 40 rupees is fine. Test the product, and if you want to try if it suits your skin, then go for this one. So I was not planning for going for this smaller one. I was planning of getting the bigger one, but then I did this. I'll try it. अगर अच्छा लगा तो फिर I'll order बड़ा वाला. 25 ml के हिसाब से बुरा नहीं है. Next box, which is this one. Let me open it. Let me see what is there inside. Next product is this one for Minimalist. So this is the product that I got for my mom. I got this for my mom, and she has pigmentation problems. So this Minimalist serum works for dark spots, even tone skin, and pigmentation. That is what I read on Nykaa and here. So let me open it. I'll just show you the packaging and everything. And this is the most expensive product in this haul. It is for 522. Products महंगे products अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, अच्छे products अच्छे होते हैं. Wow, दवाई जैसा लग रहा है, but yes, this is how it looks. My mom was literally waiting to try this, but I told her that I'll just film a haul and then I'll let you try. I heard a lot of reviews, good reviews about Minimalist, so I ordered this for her. Let me see if it works for her or not. Second last product which I have is this wheat pole wax strips. I think ये सबके पास होता है और ये सबके पास होना चाहिए, सब यूज़ करते हैं. तो I got this, the MRP is 199, but I got this for 185 because offer चल रहा था. And these have like 20 wax strips, 20 pre-coated wax strips. ये एलोवेरा एंड ग्रीन टी सेंट वाला फ्लेवर वाला है. दिस इज द मोस्ट बेसिक थिंग दैट अ गर्ल शुड हैव, एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज दिस whenever I have some emergency and I cannot go to the parlor, or and I cannot wax my legs. I use this or wax, and it works pretty well for me. So yeah, and the fragrance of aloe vera in here is super nice, super duper nice. Last product which I have is like to try this for a very long time, but I did not for some reason. I was postponing, chalo like next order में लगा देंगे. It is this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. I mean, I wanted to try a dry shampoo since so very long, and I've seen Kritika Khurana using this. I have seen all big influencers using dry shampoos a lot. Whenever they don't shampoo their hair, they always use dry shampoo, and I really like it. I really like this one, and I'm waiting to try this. I was waiting for this haul, and I'm surely gonna try this. Whenever I don't shampoo my hair, I just shampoo my hair I think once or twice a week. Otherwise, I'm just going to open it because I can't wait. MRP was 625, but I got it for 325 because of the offer. Oh my god, this is wow. I'm waiting to try this. Yes. This is amazing. I'm waiting to try this. If you want me to review any of these products, I'm ready to do that. You just have to comment down below if you want reviews of any products here. So one of the favorite purchases was the dry shampoo because I was waiting to try this, and that is it for the haul. And I hope you like it because I got pretty basic stuff. I got all the stuff that I needed, and everything was amazing, and it was of a very good quality. And also I'll be putting up a skincare reel on my Instagram very soon, so you can go and check that out as well. I don't believe in just spending on products which do not work for your skin, or maybe just just because they're expensive they will work nice. It's nothing like that. I don't believe in all that stuff. So let me know in the comment section below that if you liked this haul, if you didn't, and if you want a review of any product. And also I am putting in a lot of efforts for you. If you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends, your family, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. And I am really working hard for my YouTube channel, and I really want people to subscribe to my channel and help me grow, and I'll be super grateful for that. Thank you in advance for being there with me and watching this video till the end. And I'll see you in my next video next Sunday. Till then, bye bye. Keep smiling because the best is yet to come, and bye.